has taken office and said he will have a strong commitment to overhauling the government's payroll system. Speaking during the handover ceremony, John Mbadi stressed the urgent need to integrate the payroll system with the Integrated Financial Management Information System, IFMIS, and the Kenya Revenue Authority to boost efficiency and accountability.
Heavy investment in public investment, especially in infrastructure, raises the non-tradable prices, and obviously nominal exchange rate was not allowed to be the automatic stabilizer. And obviously you know what has happened. The second point I wanted to mention is that debt levels and debt burden cannot be sustained by the current revenues. And we are familiar with it. Bernard kept on reminding us that we are running so fast to remain in the same position, but one day we may stumble. So it means that we have to actually deal with it and deal with the patterns of expenditures.
I am not under any delusion that the work ahead is easy. Even before coming here, I am very much aware that it is not very easy. But I want to thank you for what you have done. You took over as CS National Treasury at a time when things were looking really bad. For the first time in the history of this country, we are going to operate without a finance act passed in that financial year. We should have had a Finance Act 2024, which we are all aware was defeated. Clearly, if we cannot integrate our payroll system from the State Departments to IFMIS, which is our parent accounting system, and all the way to KRA, then we don't know what we are doing.